San Diego Yacht and Boat Show. Good morning, everybody. I'm hanging out with my friend John. Fox 5 Morning News starts. Look over there.
And it starts right now.
Always be your best self. Oh, we getting it how we live. Oh, you can do anything in life if you just put your mind to it. Oh, we just getting started out here. We out here living lavishly, baby. You only live once. Never be afraid to put your best foot forward.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is January 16th, and in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, let me delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. The markets ended mixed on Friday. The Dow closed 0.31%, settled at 37,592, the Dow. The Nasdaq, begging to differ, they closed up 0.01% at 14,972. The Nas. Apple rose 0.18% to settle the day at $185.92. Apple. The big winner on Friday, CRGE. The stock rose a whopping an epic 180% to settle at 22 cents. The volume, 461 million shares exchanged hands. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 2 million. The high on the day for CRGE was 34 cents. Big moves on Friday, CRGE. There were no news out in particular. Dave's play today is a SP play. In and out, grab and go, one end and move. Do not overstay your welcome. RVSN. RVSN is up 69% thus far in the pre-markets, trading at $2.35 at the recording of this video. Higher day thus far, $2.70. This one retracts below $1.59. This might be a no-go today. There's no news out, just riding price action. This one has spikeability. For example, May 25th, the stock went from 540 to 658 on a volume of 139K. This one is in the railroad space and their headquarters out of Israel. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 4 million. They have a low float of 1 million. Okay, this is RVSN. 61% of the float are held by insiders. 2% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 1% of the float. They have 142K in revenues. Their revenue per share, 0.06. They have a total of 5 million in cash. Their total cash per share, 1.64. They have a total debt of 811K. Their current ratio is sitting above par. Their current ratio is sitting precisely at 3.13. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has a dollar in cash. This one has 3 times. RVSN. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam, make your next trade your best trade. And always remember, your first loss is your best loss. Do not hold this one too long. In and out. RVSN. Trade well, and I'll see you next time. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just 1 penny. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday's Stock List. Today is Sunday, January 14th. And in today's video, I have one play for you to put on stock this coming week. Let's delve right in. Let me back up real quick. The markets will be closed tomorrow for the observation of Martin Luther King's birthday. The stock I want you to put on stock for this coming week is MINM. MINM closed down 27% on Friday to settle the day at $2.97. This one is a BP play, bounce play, the acronym for bounce play. The stock plunged 27% on no news in particular. Their 52-week change is negative 37%. Their 200-day moving average, $2.70. This one is in a communication equipment space, and their headquarters out of New Hampshire. This one has spikeability. For example, May 2nd, stock went from $2 all the way to $14. May 2nd, that's their 52-week high. And a volume of 25 million shares exchanged hands that day. In conjunction to that, November 30th, the stock went from 91 cents all the way to $10.28. Let that sink in for a bit. That's a 10 bagger, what we call it here on Wall Street. 10 bagger. So if you had $1,000, you turn that into $10,000. $500,000 all in one trading day. The volume that day was 75 million shares exchanged hands. Also this year, January 4th, the stock went from $1.66 to $5.87 on a volume of 48 million shares exchanged hands. So you see this one has spikeability. Let's get the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Really, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 8 million. They have a low float of 1 million. 58% of the float are held by insiders. 2% of the float are held by institutional, and shorts has a measly 0.45% of the float. They have 35 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 18.74. They have 12 million in gross profit. Let me repeat that.